Hi everyone, welcome to my backyard. Today I'm going to show you what I've been doing back here, and follow me. And what I've been doing is I've been preparing my winter vegetable, and over here that's where I've been working hard, get ready for winter. So I've been growing different type of vegetable, and I purchased 6 raised bed. This raised bed over here, the first one, I'm going to be growing spinach, and the middle one I'm going to be growing beets, like the other one too. I did plant some beet a week ago, and because the raised bed is small, I only can plant so much, so I'm grow this over here. And same thing over the other raised bed, I plant Miss Gourmet green mix, which this is a leftover from the other raised bed. I'm just going to plant them over here. So this is spinach. It's the first time I grow spinach. I'm excited. Never done this before. Really love it. It's really helped me with my small space here where I grow my vegetable. And this 3 right here, I put the seed down yesterday, and this one in here is a mixed lettuce, and this one here is the beet. The last one here is spinach. And if you are wondering why does she have this up here on the top of her raised bed, because I think I have possum. See here, the footprint. I think it's a possum. It is digging my raised bed, and so I'm going to cover it at night. And they've been digging into my raised bed, and I put this up, and actually it's work, because right here, this raised bed, which I planted this a week ago, and nothing got dug. And my first one is the arugula, and the second one is beets, which the beets is I only need 1 package, and since my raised bed is so small, I use half for here and half on that raised bed. Same thing is here, my mixed lettuce. Since the raised bed is very small, I use half of the bag over here and the other half on that one, the one I was shown earlier. And I love how it turned out. And if you have a small space like me, especially where I'm right here, because most of my garden is all fruit trees, not vegetable, and I grow most of 90% of my vegetable over here is in the raised bed and is in the pot, and it work out just fine. And you know, if you don't have a space, you should try what I try, and it's really worked well. As you can see in this section right here, this 3 raised bed, you see how it starts sprouting already? It's only take 1 week, that's it. And look at it, how it's sprouting. It's real fast because the weather is cold, and it's, you know, just love it, especially for where I'm at in Southern California, because the weather is different from where you guys are. I know, you know, over here we can start early so it won't get frost, and it's perfect for us, and it just worked out perfect. And on this side over here, this one is my Asian pear, and have three different type of fruit: 20th century, Korean giant, and this one is Shinseki Asian pear, all in one tree because they grafted. I'm not successful growing blueberry on the ground. It dies on me. It worked perfect in the pot, and I have 2 different variety on each pot, but don't ask me what it is because I did not pay attention. But it's getting bigger, and I know I'm gonna get a lot of fruit this year. And over here, this 2 right here is my nectarine. It's a dwarf. It's called Snow White nectarine, and I like it right here. I prefer them in the pot. This is where my kitchen is, and what happened is give me privacy, and also give me the shade during summer. So the tree give me that shade, and that's how I want it. I prefer it right over here. Okay, over there is my kale. That is dinosaur kale. I spoke to the nursery person. He told me it's better I grow dinosaur kale for over here because it can stand the heat a little bit. So this is the first time I tried dinosaur kale. And this one is another pear, but this one have 4 different type of pear. I have Bartlett pear over here, Kiefer, comics, and this one is red angel pear. And here is my chocolate mint, and I make tea out of it. It's so delicious. You put, tea and ginger and some honey. It's delicious. Here is my sugar snap pea, and I grow them from my seed. I saved my seed back in May, the first time I try it out, and I can't believe it's growing. I'm so proud of myself. Yay. And this one here is my Italian oregano. And this sugar pea here, I planted that a week ago, the same time as my raised bed over there. This one 3 days ago, sugar snap pea. This is my green onion. This one here is chive, not doing too well. This is another mint. I think is what you call it, peppermint. And the other one over there is my green onion, another peppermint. And this one is my figs. Both of them the same figs. It's called Miss Figgy. It's from the cutting. I just stuck it in the ground. It's about 1 year old now and worked out perfect. And back there is my bell pepper. I hope you like my video, and I will give you an update maybe next week or the following weeks. And hopefully I can get rid of this possum. Oh, I can't wait. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.